Welcome to the EdbMails Gmail to Office 365 Migration, a step-by-step guide. EdbMails IMAP migration software allows you to seamlessly migrate Gmail to Office 365. Whether you're transferring a personal Gmail account or an entire organization's G Suite mailboxes, EdbMails handles the migration process smoothly, preserves your folder structure, email attachments, and metadata, ensuring a complete migration of your Gmail data to Office 365. With its user-friendly interface and advanced features, EdbMails simplifies the Gmail to Office 365 migration. Benefit from high-speed transfers with support for multiple concurrent mailbox migrations, automatic mailbox mapping, and advanced filtering options for selective data migration. The software supports incremental migration to avoid duplicate data, ensuring accuracy during subsequent migration operations. Now, let's walk through the step-by-step process of migrating Gmail to Office 365 using EdbMails.
Download EdbMails from the official website.
Click Download EdbMails. Click EdbMails Setup File.
Complete the installation process on your system.
Log into EdbMails application with the email address and password or click Start your free trial. Select IMAP Migration. Select IMAP to Office 365 Migration. Keep the default job name or click New Job to change. Click Next to continue. Select the Require option to connect to the source IMAP server. Click Download Sample CSV file. Select the location to save sample.csv file. Open the downloaded CSV file, add multiple mailbox details and save it. Click Browse CSV file. Select the modified CSV file. Click Open. Click Next to continue. Select the mailboxes that you wish to migrate. Click Next to continue. Click Add New Connection to connect to the target Office 365. Select the required migration operations. Click Next to continue. Select one of the authentication method. Click Login to continue. Authenticate on Microsoft Sign-In page with Global Admin account.
Click Sign In.
Accept the required permissions. Select the required option to load the mailboxes. Click Next to continue. Select the required mapping option.
Click Continue.
EdbMails automatically maps mailboxes between the source and target servers. Click Start Migration. Migration operation under progress. Upon migration completion, you will get the migration completion message. Click the View Logs button to get the migration report. That's it. For a hassle-free Gmail to Office 365 migration, visit edbmails.com today.